Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and talk about ECG, normal sinus rhythm right now. I still have a couple of you little lost, so let's go ahead and break it down just a bit. I'm gonna try my best to send you guys some videos here, and hopefully that helps break up some of the clutter there that is going on. Hopefully you guys don't hear a little bit of a background noise. Class is going on, so yeah. So first things first, let's go ahead and break down the 5 components of something that is going on here. So you can see the ECG, obviously, right? The 5 components that you do want to see. First one, let me go ahead and go a little bit more down. So first component, you want to make sure you identify all the waves. Oh, don't mind my spelling here, guys. There you go, a little bit better. What does identify all the waves mean? Okay, so let's go here. First thing you have to look at is right here. We have what? A P. That's your P wave, right? Put it right there. What comes after your P? Your Q. What's next? Right there. Ooh, that came out a little nasty. Your R. P, Q, R. Your S. And your last one, your T. You have to know what each of these mean, guys. That's gonna be for one of these other times. So you have to know what all these things mean. But first, we already know what we have to do. So the first one is identify all the waves, which we kind of already did, right? The second is going to be your PR interval. And what is our PR interval? We should already know what our ranges is for a PR interval. If you don't know it by now, you need to go back to the book. But our PR interval should measure from 0.12 to 0.20 seconds. 0.20 seconds, okay? Now, let me move on to this next one. A lot of people are still a little confused here on the PR interval. And how do you measure your PR interval? Me personally, right here. Once it's going towards this upstroke, this is where you're gonna measure all the way towards basically where it ends, right here. Where it goes up and it ends before the R. Your P to R PR interval. And like I've mentioned earlier, it needs to be between 0.12 to 0.20. So here you need to measure how much that is. So let me erase that right here so we can measure it a little bit. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, and kind of ends with a little bit of a 4 right there, but that's okay. Normal range is what? 4. So we have right here all the way to right here. So that is still within normal range. Awesome. So PR interval is there. Now, let's go back right here. Your third. Your QRS duration. What is our QRS duration? That should be under what? 0.4. We should know that by now. 0.4 seconds. And that should equal what? Right about here. 1 little second right here. 1 little box. That is your QRS duration right there. One little box equals 0.04 seconds, actually. I think I messed up right here. Sorry, guys. My dyslexia kicked in right there. So, let me fix that for you. So, 0.04 seconds. There we go. Now, the next one, the rhythm. There we go. That's what I was saying. For the rhythm, do we have a good R to R or not? So where's our R waves? So these are our R's right here. R's. Now, are they regular or irregular? And for the most part, to me, they're very regular. So, right there, let me fix that. So, let me switch that back up. Fourth, regular, or irregular. Oh, whoa. Threw me off, sorry guys. Let's see. There we go. Don't mind the spelling, guys. Sorry about that. All right, regular, irregular. And for this one, we're gonna circle what? Regular. And last but not least, our fifth one, we're gonna put it right here on the very bottom. We're gonna go right over here. And your fifth one, what's our rate? Okay, so remember what I mentioned. What if you don't have your little nice black marks of your 6-second strips? You know? What if you don't have it? What if these little marks are gone? Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so remember, let's mention that we can actually start counting these things, and we can count to 30. Count those boxes, these nice little red boxes, all the way to 30. And once you do, these nice little boxes right there, once you count 30 of them, you're gonna count how many QRSs you have here, and you'll see your rate, just in case, if you don't have it. But now, let me make it easier for you right now. You have one there, you have one there, and you have one right here. Let's make that your 6-second strip. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So at the end, 9 times 10 equals how much? If you said 90, good. What does that fall under? Okay, normal sinus rhythm with a heart rate of 90. All right, guys. Hope that helped you guys out. And I'm gonna make hopefully a sinus Brady, and we'll go from there. See y'all on the next one.